This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः बृहस्पतिवासरः श्रावण शुद्ध एकादशी दिनांक 30 जुलै 2020 सहस्रयोगम मुद्गमाशादितै शंखं चक्रं जलौकान् ददतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृत्यां शकपरिविलसन् मौलिमम्भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगगनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समर्थैः यत् कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रेक्षत् मुनिसत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। माशादितैल माशमुद्गबला सिद्धं तैलं सर्वशिरोतिर्वत् तर्हि इदं सुलभम् एवञ्च सर्वशिरोतिर्वत् इति तत्र फलश्रुतिः तर्हि अस्य उपयोगः कर्तव्यः इति मन्ये यदि आपणे उपलब्धं नास्ति तर्हि अपि स्वयमपि निर्मातुं शक्यमिदं तैलं तर्हि तस्य यथा योग्यतया उपयोगः कार्यः इति मे मतिः। तुलसी स्वरसादि तैल तुलसी स्वर से सिद्धं कुंदुरुष्क समन्वितं पूतना संभूषं हन्यत् तैलं दुष्ट जलं स्मृतिं कुंदुरुक्ष शल्लकि निर्यास तुलसी स्वर से पूतना संभूषं हन्यत् तैलं दुष्ट जलं स्मृतिं It's quite strange. नासा दौर्गंध्य पीनस पूतना संभृशम this is पूतनासम भृशम so it is पूतनास पूतिनास भृशम प्रतिनासम हन्यात तैलम दुष्टजलम स्मृतिम तो दुष्टजल स्मृति that might be the thing. So it has nothing to do with putana, it is putanasam. So putinasa nasa darganja that is has been penis. This is also simple. Of course, there are very few patients seen of this category. Is this available? I don't think so. Tulasi Surasadi Taila. Tintrini Surasadi Taila. Tintrini Surase Taila Prastham Samyak Pachet Bishak. Atra Kalkam Pravakshami Sarvavataharam Chayat. Bhadradaru Datan Kushtam Dashamulam Baladvayam Varum Veera Taradishcha Vidaryadishcha Nasha. So Bhadradaru is there in Bhagavad Sutrasthana 15th chapter. So that is to be used as kalpa and tintini swarasa and taila prastha. तिल तैल तिंत्रिणी पत्र सरस. Tintrini is, I feel chinsa, I'm not sure. So sarvavatahara, that is the Kalashruti. Does anybody know what is Tintrini? Whether it is only chinsa or something else. Anyway, there is some response. Necessary to chinsa only. Okay, fine. So, chinsa is Tintidika. So whether it is chinsa or not, is in Hindi translation something given about Tintrini. Just see. So भद्रदारु नतन कुष्ठम, ये जो है देवदार तगर कुष्ठ दशमूल बला वय वीरतरादि गणद्रव्य विदार्यादि गणद्रव्य. So actually this part would be referring this Dadardaru Natan Kushtam Dashamulam Baladve all separate, and Vidaryadi and Vidaryadi Virataradi and Vidaryadi, these are all Sochinsa. Okay, so these are all Vatanashaka, and here a combination of all these has been done. So anyway, whether this is available in Trinyadi. कुष्ठान्तकतैल द्वात्रिंशत् बाकुचि बीजं जलद्रोणे विपाचयेत्. चतुर्भागावशेषं तु कषायम् अवतारयेत्. पूते तस्मिन् कषाये तु त्रिकान्तं च रसं तथा पृथक् पृथक् पञ्चनिष्कं चतुर्विंशच्च निष्ककम्. गन्धकं चैव संयोज्य नागवल्ली रसेन तु यावमात्रं सुपिष्ट्वा तु सूक्ष्मं दृशति डोलयेत्. तैलप्रस्थं पिचेत् सम्यक् शनैर्द्रव्या प्रचालयेत्. यावत् चिक्कणतां याति तत्तैलम् अवतारयेत्. धान्यमध्ये क्षिपेत् तत्तु पक्षद्वयमुपेक्षया शुभे मुहूर्ते नक्षत्रे सकलकं तैलमुत्तमं. लेहेत् प्रातरुत्थाय मानवो नरतां व्रजेत्. क्षीरान्नाशि परिहरन् व्यायामादीन् जितेन्द्रियः. प्रलेपात् सर्वकुष्ठानि नाशयेत् सहजानिश. कुष्ठान्तकमिदं नाम्ना तैलम् आत्रेयनिर्मितम्. रसपारद त्रिकण्ठ सूर्यकांत चंद्रकांत अयस्कांत. गंधक. Initially prepare gradually and then add rest of the drugs and pound well with Nagavalli Rasvarasa and make into paste. Tilathaila vanprastha bakuchi bija jalad vandrona. Prepare चतुर्धावशिष्ट कषाय. Prepare tail with the above drugs kalka sneha. So this is quite strange combination. So द्वात्रिंशत् बाकुचि बीजं जलद्रोणी विपाचयेत्. चतुर्भागावशेषं तु कषायम् अवतारयेत्. This is fine. त्रिकान्तं च रसं तथा पृथक् पृथक् पञ्चनिष्कं चतुर्विंशं च निष्ककम्. गन्धकं चैव संयोज्य रागन्धि रसेन तु याममात्रं सुपिष्ट्वा तु सूक्ष्मं दृश्यति डोलयेत्. So this is a bit strange. त्रिकांतम च रसं तथा. तो रस here is पारद और त्रिकांत पृथक पृथक पंचनिष्ठम और चतुर्विंशच्च निष्ककम गंधकम चैव संयोज्यम. So Trikanta, as he is saying, is Suryakanta, Chandrakanta, Ayaskanta. 5 tola each. Gandhaka 24 tola. Chaturvamsham cha nishkakam Gandhakam. So Nishkaka is tola or something like that. Nagavalli rasena tu yamamatram supishtvat. Sukshmam drushadi dolayet. Still the translation is not very clear. So this Pute tasmin kashaye tu, so when that vata is filtered, then Trikanta or Gandhak and Rasa, this is to be Sanyojya Nagavalli Rasenatu. So all these to be mixed with Nagavalli Swarasa and then it is to be put into that Kashaya. Yamamatram Supishtwas. So ek yam, this is to be done with Nagavalli Swarasa, Sukshmam Drushadi. It becomes Sukshma in Drusha Dolaye. Tailaprastham Pachet Samya. Shanel Dravya Prachalay. So Dolayet, I think this is something like Hemagarapu Pottili Sankalpana. So the Parada, the Gandhaka and Trikanta. Strange enough, Parada is 5 tola and Gandhaka is 24 tola. Chaturvimshachcha Nishkakam Gandhakam. In no way it matches with the even if we take 5 times Panchaguna Balagari, this is into kind of thing. It is not perfectly 5 times as well. And this Ayaskanta we know we get, but I'm not sure about. Suryakanta, Chandrakanta. And then Taila has to be added. Anyway, there is the Bakuchik Vatha as such, Taila, and this Pottali. And Taila Siddhi to be done. Yavat Chikkanatan Yati Tailam Avtare. So the consistency is something sticky. धान्यमध्ये क्षिपेत तत् पक्षद्वयम् उपेक्ष्य, to be kept in dhanya for 15 days. शुभे मुहूर्ते नक्षत्रे सकल्पं तैलम् उत्तमम्. And it is to be used along with the kalka. लेहेत प्रातरुत्थाय मानवो अमृतां रजेत. क्षीरान्नाशि परिहरन् व्यायामादीन् जितेन्द्रियः. Avalehet is part. प्रलेपात सर्व कुष्ठानी नाशेत सहजानिश. सेवन सहज कुष्ठ also. This does by प्रलेप. कुष्ठांतकमिदं नाम्ना तैलमात्रेय निर्मितम्. And if it is Atreya Nirmita, then there should be some part at least in Agnivesha Samhita or Purusharaka Samhita or Bheda, Harita, etc. I'm not aware whether this kind of taila is there. And initially prepare Kajjali and then as address Dravyas. This we are trying to do as per the today's method. Whenever there is Parada and Gandhaka, we try to prepare Kajjali first and then the three things to be added and Nagavalli Swarasa Bhavana to be given. And then Pachan to be done in like totally. And Parada, as he is saying, is directly used over here. And it is taken internally as well. So this is again very strange. So heap of grains, after 1 month collected from the heap of grains, 1 month. Actually, there was only 15 days. Maharshatra formulated Kushtanashaka Taila, Kushtantaka Taila. I don't think this is available in the market. So this can be a project for Rasashastra people to prepare this and see the toxicity of that for internal as well as external use. And if it is proved to be non-toxic, then that will be a great revolution. Because there is no much Agni Sanskar over here. And that should be fine. त्रिफलादि तैल एका वाकुचि कीट हरधृतु वरकैरावेदिता वैद्यके अन्योरुष्कर तेजन्य हरियवैर्युक्ता फलानां अक्षेणामलकेन लोहितकया चान्यापि संकीर्तिता त्रीण्येतानि खलु प्रियाणि शरणं कुष्ठासुराणां नृणाम्. Again, difficult to make meaning. Kitahari is Viranga, Kitarut Viranga, Tuvaraka, Arushkara, Tejani, Malkangani, Hariyava, Indraya, Aksha, Amalaka, Bipharitaki, Eka, Kitaratu, Kitarut, Tuvarakaihi Avedita Vaidyaki. What is meaning of Eka? Anyarushkara, Tejani, Hariyava, Yukta, Falanantare. So Arushkara is Bhallataka, Tejani is he saying Jyotishmati or Malkangani. And Hariyava is Indrayava. Akshena Malakene Lohitakaya Chanyapi Sankirtata. Lohitakaya. So these are all Sharanya for Kushtha. Oil prepared with these three groups of triphalates are useful to relieve kushta. So again, Vaidyakaihi, this is again strange. Vaidyakaihi Avedita. So Vaidyakaihi is Bahuvachana and Bahu Vaidyakas have said about this. अन्यो रुष्कर तेजनि हरिवैरुक्ता फलानांतरे अक्षेणामरकेन लोहितकया. So Lohitaka rather. Whether it is Haritaki, this is again. So three different oils. So this is again a bit strange. Sahacharadi Taila. Samula Shakasya Sahacharasya Tulam Sametam Dashamulatascha Palani Panchashad Abhirutascha Padavashesham Vipachet Katepam Tatra Sevya Naka Pushta Himailasru Priyangu Nalikambushilajai Dohitanalada Jonga Suravaihi Kopana Mishiturushka Nataischa. So Samula Shaka Sahachara Tula Dashamula or Panchashad Abhiru. So Shatavari Panchashad Pala Padavashesham Vipachit Ghatiyapam. In Ghata Jala Padavashesha to be kept. And then Sevyanaka Kushta Himaila, these are all Kalkadravyas. They have gone. Kampakshepas Kambhashoshaadi Yuktan Gulmon Madhav Peenasam Yoni Roga Tulyak Kshiram Palikaistaila Patram Siddham Krikshan Shilitam Hantivata. So this is also strange. Tulyam Kshiram Palikaistaila Patram Siddham. This is to be connected to the Taila Nirman. And Kampakshepak Stambha Shoshadi Yuktan Gulmodano Peenasam Vayoni Rogam Shilitam Vatan Krikshan Vatan Hanti. So this is a clumsy shloka rachana in which a part of the yoga has entered in between the Falashruti, something like that. Sevya Nakha Kushtha Hima Chandana Ela Sprukka Asavarga Delphinium Zalil H and Hymns 1 Priyangu Nalika Dandadravya Vishesha Naliketu Vangriya Ambu Ribera Shilaja Gomutra Shilajatu Lohita Manjishtha Nalada Jatamas Jonga Agaru Surawa Devdaru Kopana Chanda Rakta Karavira Mishi Satapushpa Turushka Shilarasa Liquidambar Orientalis Miller Nata Tagara Sachara Panchanga Dashamula Abhiru Jala Shiravan Adaka कंप आक्षेपक स्तंभ शोष गुल्म उन्माद पीनस योनिरो. Yes, Kara, the tale is available, but the part is quite big and bit strange as well. This is both Santarpana and Apatarpana. I also use it. Valya Chasrara from UX. So, Pansalkar was of opinion that Sahachara contains Sharadravya. And so he was using it particularly for this calcaneal spur. And Sahachara alone is useful for local application for calcaneal spur. First, the pain is gone, and gradually the spur gets reduced. So, this I have used in many cases, and it has really very good effect. So, from this may be considered to be useful in Meda, Medodhatu as well, and may be given for Abhyanga. So, the Sahachara oil is Apatarpana and Sahacharadi is with Bruhana, contains many dravyas, even Abhiru is there. And there are so many Kalkadravya. So this is a big part, Valiya. And Sahacharadi. So may try to use it. But there are many Kalkadravyas. This is one of the important aspects. And Palashruti is right. Kampa, Akshepaka, Stamba, Shosha, Gulma, Unmada, Venasa, Yoniroga, Amutra, and Vataroga. In many Vatarogas, there is a Falashruti of Yoniroga and mainly Vandhanari Sutapradam. This is also a Falashruti in Vatarogadika. So, how does it act for fertility? That is yet another important aspect. Karamba Shakho Dadi Tail. In calcaneal spur, Sahachara oil or Sahachara oil, plain Sahachara. And that helps better. I used it in many cases. And even you can give internally as well. Karamba Shakhod Vara Nishanam Prachina Kadi Yakchitrakana Tantiyutanam Tathite Kashaye Prachina Kalkam Vidajam Pachecha Aluka Mishra Swarusai Rupetam Sapada Chitra Bhavataila Metat Shlipadanashaya Vidanti Tailam Vritanti Pitta Prabhave Vikare. So the same dravyas to be used for Ghruta as well, for Pitta Prabhava. And Shlipadanasha is the Falashruti of this Karamba Shakhodadi Taila. Let us see the contents. Prachina, why it is Prachina again? Karamba, same drugs mentioned for Vata, one part. Taila, Eranda Taila, 4 parts. Karamba, Shakhotaka, Sihora, Vara, Nisha, प्राचीना पाठा कालीयक दारुहरिद्रा चित्रक दंती जल चतुर्थावशिष्ट aluk root tubers and bulbils of many Dioscorea species are used as articles for food by the tribal peoples. There is one mentioned in Ashtanga, sixth chapter, Alukani cha Sarvani. But these are said to be Dosha Vardhaka or something. But what he is saying is Adivasis are using it as food. Prepare taila with the above drugs, Kalpa Sneha Dravadravya. So Prachina is Patha, Shlipada Pattaja Vikara. Now he has combined this. Oil to be prepared for Shlipada and Gruta to be prepared for Pittaja Vikara. That is the Padashruti over there. क्रम्बशाखोडवरानिशानां प्राचीनकालीयकचित्रकाणां दन्तियुतानां क्वथिते कषाये प्राचीनकल्कं तिलजं पचेच्च. So actually this is something that Prachina Kalka, only Patha Kalka is to be used, really speaking. Aluka Mishra Swarase Rupetam. So Aluka Mishra Swarasa Sapada Chitra Bhavataila Meta and Sapada Chitraka Garbhashaya in Vatasthana. Maybe that is the reason that Vatavyadhi and Yamiraga mentioned together. Also, it is said that no scleroga happens without Vata. So that could be the reason. Possible. But many in Falashrutis, Vandhanari Sudapradam, this is seen. So I am really doubtful about this. And Karamba Shakhoda the Taila. Whether it is available in the market, I don't think so. I've never heard this. And Karamba Shakhoda the Gruta, that should be another issue. He has not mentioned anything about Shlipada and Pittaja Vikara. So, in Shlipada, मतलब योग है अपना रसोशन करता हूँ नित्यानंद रस. So I use Nityananda Ras in Shlipada, and Shlipada may be comparable with varicose veins. So severe varicose veins, I tend to use Nityananda Ras and Prasarini Taila particularly. For local application, and that works better. आलूकची आकृती श्लीपदासारखी दिसते त्यामुळे उपयोग केला असावा. But what is aluk? I am not sure. So and what is mentioned by Alukanita Sarvani in this sixth chapter that we may have to see. So potato is also a kind of aluk or something like that. So we have to think about this. वचाहरितकी लाक्षारोहिणी कटुचंदनैः निर्गुण्डिस्वरसैः सिद्धं तैलम् आशु अपचिञ्जयत्. वचाहरितकी लाक्षारोहिणी कटुचंदनैः. So Katurohini is mentioned as Rohini Katu and Chandana. Nirgundi Swarasai Siddham Tailam Ashu Apachim Jayet. And Siddha in Nirgundi. So Nirgundi Swarasa Ashu Apachim Jayet. There is Mithya Swarasa also. Mithya Swarasa? What is Mithya? So I'm not sure what you are saying. जमिनीतील खोड म्हणजे आदूक असावे. I'm not sure. We have to see the tika about Aluka and can't say anything about that. Is this Vachadi Taila available? If not, actually, it is not very difficult to prepare. So, Vachartiki Laksha Katorini Chandana. Karkadravan Nirgundi Swarasa. So, we have plenty of Nirgundi. So, not a very difficult job. Now, and this is important because in Apache, the lymph node involvement is there. Aksha Kaksha Amsa Sandhigaha is not the Samprapti of this. So that's the only resemblance that we see Gandamala and Apache with lymphadenopathy in cancer patients. May it be breast, may it be lung, may it be some other cancer. Most commonly is associated with breast cancer and Hodgkin's lymphomas, non-Hodgkin lymphomas. Therein also we see this lymphadenopathy. Now, considering this and resemblance with Gandamala, many Vaidyas use Kanchanar Gukul, which is a medicine for Gandamala. Now, Gandamala may also be associated with Raja Yakshma, etc. And previously, the kind of TB that we used to find was associated with this kind of Gandamala. Now the picture is very much changed and it is more with the lesion in the lung that is most commonly found. And pulmonary TB is more common now. We are not saying this Gandamala kind of thing associated with TB as such. But this has something to do with the lymph nodes as such, and lymph node is one of the doshas in cancer patients, whether it is internal, whether it is external, whether the same medicine will be applicable for internal lymph nodes or not, that is yet another issue. And there is no mention how to use this. We may apply it externally, that is fine, but we may give it internally as well. That might be another important aspect. So, does anybody know that Vachati Tail is available in the market or not? Nirgundyadi Tail म्हणून Vaidyaratnam से available. Okay, but it is the same part or a different part? Catalog shows. Okay. So we may try to find out if it is available. I have been asking to give lab of Vacha externally for these along with Kanchanar Gugul because Vacha it is very difficult to make lab, but when we have Kanchanar Gugul along with that, then it becomes sticky and it can stay. So I am already using this, and in case of unidentified lymphadenopathy, there are cases wherein it is not related with cancer, it is not related with TB. So, but lymphadenopathy is there, and in such situations, this might work. So same part. Okay. So Nirgundyadi oil that we may have to search from Vaidyaratnam for this, and for local application that might be one thing. And we can also prepare it. It's not very difficult to prepare. And secondly, we may think of giving it internally as well. So, and not only for this external lymph nodes, which are easily palpable, either supraclavicular or neck glands or axillary glands. These are easily palpable and these are very well seen. Now, what do we consider lymph in Ayurveda? This is again a big issue. Initially, I was trying to consider it among rasa only, rasa dhatu. And for us, it is the rasa dhatu that is being vikshepita throughout the body. And this is a part of blood circulation, as what conventional medicine says. So lymphatic system is associated with blood circulation, and the function is to catch abnormal cells, etc. And phagocytosis to protect the body from that. That is the thing. Now the swelling of the lymph nodes is reactionary in a fight against these cancer cells or microorganisms. They become swollen. And if the body conquers those organisms or cancer cells, then it subsides. If it doesn't, then it becomes permanent kind of thing. So this is our protective mechanism, and maybe if we support this system, lymphatic system, by any other method, so it has something to do with rasa and rakta as such. Now later on I arrived on rakta as well, and there is lymphadenopathy in probably all cancers. So these are to be used in these situations, and I have a strange idea. May this Vachadi Churna to be taken and Nirgundi Swarasa Bhavana to be given for the internal use of these patients. So Taila is mentioned over here, and it is for Apache, but for lymphadenopathy this might be a good part for internal use. And it is possible to give bhavana of Nirgundi Swarasa, maybe 3 bhavanas, 7 bhavanas, better to give 7 bhavanas, and then start using it in cancers, because all cancers are having lymphadenopathy as one of the important aspects. And whether to use Taila in that or not, that still remains a question, but I would prefer to add Hirak Bhasma and Taila Anupanu वापरू शकतो, that is possible, and some dravya from this Shukra Shodhana Gada. Maybe Ikshuraka, a good combination for this. So Nirgundi Swarasa and Ikshuraka Swarasa, if we get fresh Ikshuraka or Kokilaksha, that is for Vata and Rakta both, and Shukra Shodhana and Vrushya as well. So Nirgundi Swarasa and Ikshuraka Swarasa bhavana to be given, and maybe one part of Hiraka, and maybe 100 part of this. So let me stabilize the formula and make some formula and start using it. Only thing, Ikshuraka, where it is available in plenty, and we may have to collect it from somewhere. Okay, is Mangesh Thamke present in this group today? He may have an access. Lymph म्हणजे लसिका correlate करता. That is also the thing. But Lasika, again, it's what exactly is Lasika? This is something to be understood. And as such, it is very important to know about these bhavas as such. There is a Lasika Srav in certain cases that we may have to think. Sir, any lymph node enlargement, yes, you are available. So you try to find out if you have access to Ikshuraka, and Nirgundi you should have access. Try to prepare this yoga with 7 bhavanas as such, and let me know. Due to infection reduces with use of Laghumalini Vasanta. So this Vachadi Yoga would be great, and that can be a revolutionary thing in cancer particularly. In that way, this is simple. So we try to do this. That's a better thing to do. So anyway, and we try to see other medicines for Gandamala Kandanaras or Kanchanarvu Bulu. These are other things that are in use, particularly for Gandamala Apachi. There is a yoga of Sharakuntha with Takra Pishta Sharakuntha. For this, that also I have used in certain cases, but maybe we try to see it. So anyway, we'll try to prepare and get this. Apache. So severe varicose vein and Shlipada correlation, please elaborate. I had heard about this. In Shlipada, there is a big samprapti actually associated. There is no mention of this varicose veins, direct mention of these in our text. But we see varicose vein patients. It's a Shaithilya of Sira, that is, some people only write Chira Shaithilya. But the circulation is hampered, and in case of heart circulation, even in conventional medicine, there is a force by heart for pumping when it reaches the microcirculation capillaries. But the collection from capillaries and its movement through siras, veins, etc., arteries supply to the organs, etc., and from where again there is a collection, and there are non-eaten walls in veins particularly. And if they stop functioning properly, then there is accumulation of blood towards the extremities, particularly legs. And this is leading to this varicose veins. wherein the sleeper there is some infection kind of thing in conventional medicine, filariasis, and that is causing the blockage of these veins, and that is why there is a big swelling over there, and this is associated with anupadesha particularly. So kapha pradhanya is there, and maybe ama also. So we have to think of ama and kapha in Shlipada, and the same thing we can think in varicose veins. So that might be. So this is the same in Pitam. So it is to be drunk. So I think instead of Taila, we are using Gutika or something like that. And that should be fine. So I think this will be revolutionary if it works in cancer directly. So that will be a great thing. So let us think about this, because lymphadenopathy is very common in all sorts of cancers. And there are internal lymph nodes also involved, which can be felt sometime, particularly Hodgkin's lymphoma, etc. But otherwise, only this uh, supraclavicular neck nodes or axillary nodes, these are possible. व्हेरिकोज वेन्स मध्ये मांसधातूचा चिकित्सेच्या दृष्टीने किती विचार करता येईल का? Can't say. मांसाहारी लेपन कर्म, and once we say that they become more prominent events, we may say that it is Mausakshaya. We may have to consider it on that basis and see symptoms of Mausakshaya. Shiraja Granthi in Vagbhata can be considered varicose veins. To a certain extent, yes. So, Shiragrantha Nuvepayam Tailam Sahachanam. That is the sutra given that I have used in certain cases. Drinking of Sahachar Tel. That has helped to a certain extent, there is no doubt. But maybe we have to think about this. Now, the Atipravritti Sangova Sirana Granthiyo Piva Vimargatova Gamanam or Vimarga Gamanam Chapi, so the Samdishtilakshana. Now, this particular shloka is very important, but it's very difficult to understand it on practical level. There are so many srotasas, and Atipravritti and Sangha we can apply to certain srotasas. Maybe Mutrava srotas, Purishava srotas, Shukrava srotas, or something like that. But Vimarga Gamanam Chapi, that was the opinion of Mama Gokhale, and in every Srota Drishti there is Vimarga Gamanam. This is still not understandable. And Siranam Granthayopiva, this is again which Siras, which kind of Granthi, etc. etc. So we may have to think about this. Can we think about Haritaki and Apan Vayu combination if varicosity happens in lower extremity? No, there can be Vata Prakopa associated with Apana. I believe we can use Arashta Roga Yogas in varicose veins as modern pathology is similar. Maybe. Prolapse piles, this is one of the thing, and there is a prolapse of the sira, as what they say in Arsha. So taso abhishanna murtisu etc. etc. Jayante arshamsi, that is the samprapti of Arsha. And wherever in extremities there is this kinds of prolapse or shaithilya. Prolapse is due to this shaithilya and due to putting pressure. That is another important aspect over here. So if there is no constipation, the Vatanulomana is proper, then the Arsha Samprapti Bhanga is done and everything subsides. So we may think of this Arsha in this, and whatever is it applicable in this varicose veins or in this Arshas, we are trying to put Shlipada for that. And to certain extent, this is resembling with cancer as such. And so, may thoroughly think about this and try to achieve something that will be better. Triplamrita Valli cha Ketak Kyasan Kobalam एरण्डमिन्द्रवल्लीं च जलद्रोणे विपाच्य त्रसेन तेकराजस्य कटस्य स्वरसेन च तैलप्रस्थं पचेत् धीमान् विगुणक्षीरसंयुतं कल्कञ्च कुष्ठयष्ट्याभ पद्मको क्षीरचन्दने मुस्तैलापत्र मांसी च हयगन्धा बलामृता सारिवामरकाष्ठं च लवङ्गदतचोरकाः उत्पलाव्यञ्जने नीलिश्लक्ष्णक्लिष्टान् पिष्टान् समावपेत् शिरोरोग प्रतिशाय विशेषेण विनाशने खालित्यं चैव पालित्यं केशानां भञ्जनं तथा त्रिफलाद्यमिदं तैलम् ऊर्ध्वशत्रुगदापम्. So this is available, Trifaladi Taila. I used it in certain cases, particularly for Khalitya and Palitya. But Keshanam Bhanjanam, that is also one of the Filashruti. Shiroroga Pratishaya. So this is again typical because many people get Pratishaya after application of oil. It becomes cool for them, Shita for them. And Urdhvajatru Gadapaham. So Urdhvajatru Gadapaha, this is again something typical. So Trifalamrita Vallicha Ketak Kasana Kobalam Erandam Indravallim Cha Daladrone Vipacha. This is the Patha Darga. Tekaraja and Hata Swarasa Taila Prastham Vigona Kshira Sanyutam and Pushta Yashtava Padmako Shira Chandana Mustaila Putramansicha Hayagandha Balamta Sarivar Murmur Kashtancha Lavanga Natachorakaha Pula Janjana Nilish Lakshma Krishnan Samapa. These are all Kalkatravya. Anyway, this seems to be a good part and available also. So, Pushta Yashtava Padmaka Ushira Chandana Musta Ela Patra Mausi Jata Mausi Hayagandha Bala Amruta Sariva Amara Kashta Devdaru Lavanga Nata Choraka Uttala Anjana Nili Trifala Amrutavalli Guruchi Ketaki Asana Bala Eranda Indravalli like Jala. So this is the Kvata Dravya. Tekaraja Rasa Swarasa. Tekaraj, of which company do we get this Tripaladi oil? I think it should be ABS and Vaidyaratnam both. May throw light on that. Hatha Amalaki Swarasa. Yeah, it can be taken internally. Bokshira. Tekaraj, what is Tekaraj? I don't remember right now. Keram Tailam Vaidyaratnam. So Care Tail is available, Narikal Tail is available. So with Kalka. Do you remember Maka? Tekaraj is Maka. Okay, fine. So, and this is available, that is true. So we may go for Kera Taila of this Trifaladi Care. Now there are many people who who have problems Kalitya Palitya. In young age, now this is very common. So what to do with these? This is again something strange. Sneha and Dravadravya taken Shivaroga Pratishaya Kalitya Palitya Kesha Bhanjana Urdhvajatrugata Roga. So maybe we can use it for Nasya as well and for local application as such. So start using this. That's a better thing to do. I have been using this actually. Nili Brungadi and this Trifaladi, both I have used. Nili Brungadi particularly for Palitya. And this might be used for Khalitya, Palitya, Keshabhanjana. So, but we may also go for Nasya with this only. For Abhyanga Khara Paka and for Nasya Mrudu Paka is required. So Madhyama Paka might be a better choice. And anyway, there can be people who would come only for this purpose, Palitya, Palitya, etc. And Harish Patankar is having this Kesha Ayurved giving franchisees. So we see there is a vast scope for this kind of practices. And I have been treating only very serious cases right from the beginning. So I did never think about these kinds of medicines or these kinds of diseases in my practice. I was surprised long back, maybe 25 years or so, that a young girl came, 18, 19-year-old, and she asked me about something for hair fall. And I said, okay, we prepare some oil, you buy it and use it. But then she lingered in the clinic. Then I asked her, what is the point? She said, is there no internal treatment for this? So I was never aware that there can be people who would be requiring internal treatment for this. At that time, my consultation fee was 300 rupees. It was quite big amount in that period. And I was of opinion that nobody will come to me for with this consultation fee for hair fall or graying of hair. But then I said, okay, yes, you can, treatment can be given. You have to fill up the form and then I will check it. Then she explained that her marriage had been arranged and it was due into 3 months' time. And she was very conscious about her hair. So I never thought of this. And this was a shock for me. But there is a vast scope for this. And as compared to cancer and heart disease and kidney failure, this is much minor problem. So, but even the minor problems can be very troublesome. That is also very true. So one may think of this and concept of beauty clinic of treating these cases with medicines proper or panchakarma. That is a required thing. Anyway, we conclude today and continue tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकाण्डो निगदित इह हि शल्यतन्त्रप्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्याकरः